Today I'm showing you a super easy farmhouse style ornament. So today all the products I'm using are from the Dollar Tree with the exception of the beads. The beads came from Amazon. They are 3 sizes in a pack. I'm using the large one and the small one. I'm going to try and link those below for you. I like to alternate the sizes because I like the contrast. Certainly you could use all one size, or you could add the middle size in that's in the pack. It's just up to you how you want to design it. So when you have ribbon like this, you just want to make sure that you have it positioned properly so that when you fold it over, you can read the words and they're not backwards. So that's what I'm doing here. And I'm just going to fold these over, one on each side. I'm going to take my glue gun, put a little dab of glue there, just glue the one side down. And then I'm going to take the other side and I'm going to just size up the ribbon, make sure you get them the right size there. That's what I'm doing here. Just make sure that they're even. Another little dab of glue. And you've made a little ribbon. And I'm just going to trim the ends just like this. And you've got a cute little ribbon. So now we're going to take the beads here on the wire, and then we're going to take the ribbon that I just made, little bow, and we're just going to hot glue that to the top of the wire there, right where it's exposed, so we don't have to worry about that. That's covered up with this ribbon. And I'm just going to let that set a second. I'm taking my sage green ribbon that I got at the Dollar Tree also. Like I said, everything came from the Dollar Tree except the beads. And I am just going to loop this through the center here. And then I'm going to grab my glue gun again and I'm going to put a little dab of glue there. And I want to secure that to the front of the other ribbon right there. And hold it down a second. And then I'm going to take the glue gun again, and I'm just going to put a little dab of glue at the top and secure that down also. So I have these little pine cones that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I bleached them. And so I'm just going to add those just to the front for a little decoration. I'm going to add 2 of those in here. And glue those down, and there you have a very simple, easy farmhouse style ornament for your Christmas tree. So a couple of ideas here. You can take some jute twine and loop it through and tie it and hang it on your tree that way. Or you can take a hook that you have, and I did try to kind of loop it through here. And you could do that. It's going to bunch this up a little bit right here. If you used a thinner ribbon, it might work a little bit better with the wire. But I really wanted the thicker ribbon because I thought about using a thinner one, and I really like the effect of the thicker ribbon here. So you could use the hook, or what you could do also is you could just hot glue this onto the back, and then you could hang it that way. So that's another option. I'm going to just use the jute twine that I've tied through here, and then I'll show you how it looks on the tree. Thank you so much for watching my DIY of the day. Please hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe if you would like to see more.